Hi guys, welcome back to Eat East Indian channel, and today I'm making spicy delicious soya chunk stir fry. This is so full of flavor, it's easy to make, and it's a great alternative to meat dishes, so there is no reason for you not to try this. When you're ready to cook, soak soya chunks in water and let them stand for about 10-15 minutes. I'm using this Nutri brand. It's easily available here in North America, about $3 from a local grocery store, Indian store, but you can order it online, and in India we can get different brands of Nutri or soya chunks as we call them. Alright, let's get ready. They are soaking in water. We will set them aside while we prep everything else. I have chopped some onions. We can also add different vegetables in our stir fry. I'm adding zucchini because zucchini lends that nice bite, nice texture, and it goes well with the sauces I'm about to use. Mushrooms, peas, cauliflower are some of the other options you might use in your stir fry. I really like soya chunks by themselves, so adding zucchini was a lot for me and was just right. Alright, chopped up zucchini is ready. Let's saute zucchini and onions in some oil. We'll make sure that they are thoroughly coated with oil. We'll let them become tender before we start adding other ingredients. So mixing it thoroughly in this pot, and after about few minutes, when they have become, onions and zucchini have become a little soft, we can add in minced garlic, because garlic again great for digestion, good flavor, but you can add your own touch to the dish as well. This is one of the recipes you can certainly try and play with it. Alright, here is our minced garlic. Mixing it thoroughly, and along with that we will also add in some other spices like salt. Should be as per your taste, and it just helps bring everything together. It also cooks onions and zucchini a little faster. They'll sweat a little bit more and will cook. I'm adding my favorite curry powder. You can use any curry powder of your choice. If you don't have it, go with some masala, some other blend of spices that you prefer. Alright, things are looking beautiful. Look at that gorgeous color. Now I'm squeezing the water out of soya chunks, adding them in, and like I said, that they are really good in soaking flavor from sauces and spices. You don't want it to be too dry, so a little bit of water, tablespoon or two is fine, but this dish literally gets ready in absolutely no time. Alright, now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of BBQ sauce. We will also add in 2 tablespoons of this sweetened chili sauce for a little bit of tanginess, a little bit of a heat. And if you love spice like me, then I would definitely recommend trying some buffalo hot sauce. Again, whatever you have in your fridge, you can try in your dish. Throw in spices, soya chunks will pick up that flavor, and your dish will turn out to be phenomenal. Give everything few minutes, 3-4 minutes, and dish is ready. Voila! Dinner is good to go. You can pair this with noodles, with fried rice. You can enjoy them on its own, and a great alternative to meat. It's a vegan, protein-rich dish. I hope you'll give it a try. Let me know your thoughts, how it turned out for you, and I will see you again with another tasty recipe. So do keep watching Eat East Indian channel, and don't forget to share this recipe with friends and family. Thanks guys for supporting our channel. I'll see you around. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your day.